Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 2023 SEAT Ateca SE technology finished in metallic black. Now it's a beautiful day here today, so hopefully you can get an appreciation as to how lovely this car looks, having just come out of our valeting bay, and I must say they've done a superb job. The colour really shines in the sunlight. Now what we're going to do is give you a brief little video run through and show you some of the car's features, so let's get to it. Now the first thing you notice with the Ateca is that it's a medium-sized SUV, so plenty of space, plenty of versatility. You've got height adjustable front seats that's on both sides. That's quite surprising nowadays. Some manufacturers still only cater for the driver and not the passenger. But in this vehicle, they actually give you height adjustable both front driver and passenger seat, and also lumbar adjustment as well, which is quite clever. Plenty of space in the back, center armrest, so if you want to, you can keep the children apart, store the drinks, and if you want to, it also doubles up and gives you a very neat little access port into a huge boot. So if you've got the snacks in the boot when you're on a long journey, but you still need to access them, you've got a 60-40 split seat, which if I pull one of these down, it releases the left-hand side. So a real handy idea if you're on your own and just want to drop the seat forward. And then if you do need to put an extra little access hatch, then you've got that one as well. So really big boot, plenty of options for you. Parking sensors are standard on all the way around, which you'd expect on something of this size. And let me just pop that back up and then show you the center armrest. So there you go. So you can clear that up out of the way. If you want to, then you've got seating for 3 people in the rear. You've got 2 Isofix fitments as well. And then when we get to the main bit, let's get into the cockpit and we'll show you, here we go, the media screen. So all of the Atecas have this lovely big color touchscreen media setup. Now at this age in 2023, it also will run Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly, which is brilliant. So no cables clustering up everything. You also have the option of running the car's built-in navigation system as well, which compared to previous versions is surprisingly good. So you've got lots of different options there for you. Now you can personalize this display. You've got lots of different options to have a smaller setup with the media screen. You can even run through and showcase the different driving assistance setups as well. Dropping down, you've got parking sensors all the way around. You've got climate control, which is dual zone. So one for the driver, one for the passenger. A wireless phone charger, that's that little slot in there. Push button start and stop. A 6-speed manual gearbox and an electronic handbrake, so that's auto holds as well. And if I just engage reverse, you can see the parking sensor with its park display set up for the front and back. Now the multifunction steering wheel gives you cruise control and also a speed limiter depending on what you prefer. And this vehicle, believe it or not, has covered just over 19,500 miles. And hopefully this video gives you an appreciation as to how good condition the car's in. Now this will leave us fully serviced, and if you'd like to discuss part exchanging your car, if you'd like to discuss the different financing options nowadays that are available to you, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're super friendly and super helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.